Hey y'all, it's me Carly and I am at the Karen Blixen Museum today, and after I'm going on a hike, so y'all can come along with me for this vlog today. We are in Kenya for the next few weeks, you know. Oh, but today I feel like I'm repping, like I'm finally wearing this for the Tanzania flag, and you know, we doing a little green, yellow, blue combo. It's gonna be fun today, and I'm doing a group trip, so I'm trying to make some friends here to explore with. I don't know if everybody's gonna be like local or foreign. It don't really matter to me, but more friends would be good. So let's see what we get into today. So this is the cafe. It's really cute, and you can get some good pictures in this little cafe garden area, you know. This is where I took mine at. But I'm sure it's even prettier like as you go into the museum, because the museum is like that way. I'm excited, I'm ready. I love these trees. Ooh, this might blind y'all. Woo. Okay, maybe not y'all, but it's definitely blinding me. But these trees look good. I really just want to sit here and take pictures. Hey y'all, so before I go in, I just want to let y'all know what I know before the tour and then what I learned after. So today I need to figure out why Karen Blixen is so important. She has a whole neighborhood area of town named after her. I want to know what Karen did to get such accolades. Let's find out today on our tour. Okay, y'all, so we weren't able to record inside the house, but I would say Karen Blixen, Miss Karen Blixen, deserves all the accolades and everything that she deserves or that she is getting. She was very helpful to the tribes like the Kikuyu, the Somalis that were living around, and the Maasai. She wasn't a real doctor, but she was acting as a doctor, and she brought a lot of, let's say, medicine, and she knew how to do first aid. So she would be very helpful to the tribes. And I know she paid the workers. I'm not sure if some people were paying workers before, like back then, but she was definitely paying. What else can I say about Miss Karen? She learned Swahili. She was able to communicate by the end of her time here in Kenya. Um, the land that she has is very expansive. I think it was originally 6,000 acres. She was supposed to, like, you know, just be married and be here with her husband, but apparently they spent a lot of time separated. All I know is her home is beautiful. She seemed like a beautiful person. She wrote books. She did art. She liked painting. And another thing was she liked flowers. Like, I'm like, girl, me too. I feel like I can feel her spirit around here now. Like, she probably was just having a good time, giving back, learning the culture. I can relate. Everybody should be like Karen. So if you see pictures of her, I thought maybe she had cancer at first, but I think she just liked Somali culture and she was maybe adapting to that a lot. She is Danish or from Denmark, but definitely this estate, everything here is nice, beautiful place. But imagine you get to stroll around your garden. This is your garden. Would you ever leave here? I know I wouldn't leave. Y'all know I hate to leave beautiful places like these, but we gotta go on and start our hike at Oloolua Nature Trail. Let's go. And I almost got lunch from the cafe here. I would have got the chicken pesto panini, but I didn't have time, but it sounded good, just in case y'all need food options when you come here. Oloolua Nature Trail is about a 10-minute walk from this Karen Blixen Museum. So our leader, Jane, made sure everybody got their admission and we started our hike. I don't think the waterfall is far. It should be an easy hike because I'm gonna wrap it up and go get me something to eat for lunch today. But it sounds close enough. Easier than the one at Karua Forest. Okay, this is actually easy to get to. This waterfall was pretty easy, y'all. Like 2 minutes into the hike and we're here. And there's Carlos sitting up there. Ding, 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 ding. I wasn't crazy enough to cross the rocks though. Maybe it wasn't as hard as I thought. I'm not sure. Now I'm nice and misty. Ooh. It was a good photo shoot. Even this is cute. There's water there. And it's like a big pump. I don't know where it's pumping to, but you see the pipe there. For today, I don't know if I said that already. I'm about to take my little bike and go home.